The stock we're going to look at today is PetMed Express with ticker symbol PETS. And as we can see, the last quote from Friday was $9.74. PetMed is in the internet retail industry, marketing prescription and non-prescription pet medications as well as other pet supplies directly to the consumer. Their website is 1-800-PetMeds.com. And here we see a table of their earnings per share for the last 7 years, which allows you to determine that currently they're trading at a PE ratio of 9.45, as well as a 7-year average PE ratio of 12.86. One negative we can see here that this latest earnings report was their first decline in EPS for the last several years. So that's one concern. They do have a positive or a strong financial position, though, considering that they have no long-term debt, and their asset to liability ratio is also very reasonable. Here we also see their return on investment. Their return on invested capital numbers have been very good for the past several years. Last year, return on invested capital was 19%, while the 5-year average is around 28%. The dividend yield currently is 5.13%, so PetMed does pay a significant dividend. The main negative that is a concern with PetMed is the very competitive landscape of their facing competitors like PetSmart. As we can see from the chart over the last several months, PetMed is actually down over 40% for the year, and we can see that the 50-day moving average, which is here in blue, had been acting as resistance for quite a while, or the share price was never able to get above it. Even the 10-day moving average was acting as resistance for a while until near the end of October here, where it broke out above the 50-day moving average. Since then, it has pulled back to the 50-day moving average and has been consolidating here. So if it were able to move above these consolidation levels, may indicate a continuation of the recent uptrend we have here. So considering PetMed's financial condition, they do seem strong financial position, as well as their current valuation with the PE ratios highlighted in the previous slide. They do seem interesting at these levels, although they are a more speculative stock than some of the others that have been mentioned in my blog, as can be seen with their share price, which is under $10. So that sums it up for this edition, and remember to visit the website here for the next post. Thanks. Bye.